right, that's going to be the name of the game today, is cooling down around Kern County, and not just here in Bakersfield, but even up in the mountains. And you can see here up in Tehachapi, we've got some high clouds and mid-90s expected there again this afternoon. Let's talk about Bakersfield and the calendar for July. And you can see we've got 7 triple-digit days on the calendar right now. We also have numerous 90-degree days, so we'll see how the entire month fills in, but wanted to share that with you. And again, yesterday, 110. Now, we're starting to see melt-off into the Sierras. Still quite a bit of snow in some areas. And here's the latest out of Lake Isabella. Last year, on this very same day, we had 60,000 acre-feet of water. Right now, as of this morning, 534,000 acre-feet of water. So the lake is 94% at capacity, but up 787% from where we were last year on this date. So you can see the Lake Isabella is filling up nicely. As we take a look outside, we've got the high clouds, 77 in Delano, 79 in Buttonwillow. Bakersfield, 86 right now with 70s into the mountains. Tehachapi at 73, 78 for Lake Isabella. These high clouds will continue to stream in from the south throughout the day. I don't expect it to be a real humid day. It was humid on Saturday, though. I even felt that. And we even saw an isolated thunderstorm to the north. Now, that area of low pressure that we were talking about, that weak disturbance, has made its way more northbound, but still drawing a little bit of that high cloudiness from the south. Want to take you up to Mammoth, 56 degrees right now. And finally, the slopes have thawed out. There's a little bit of snow, but you can see right here under the chairlifts, there is no snow on the ground. Temperatures today will continue to melt that snowpack off. 101 in Sacramento, Tahoe at 85, 108 in Fresno, 80s to the south, and 113 in Las Vegas.
Climate scientists have confirmed the first half of July marked the hottest 2 weeks in recorded human history, and there are no signs the summer of climate extremes is set to end anytime soon. In Greece, evacuations are underway from the fire-scorched island of Corfu. This follows the largest mass evacuation in Greek history, as some 30,000 people fled what survivors described as hellish wildfires in Rhodes in recent days. European holidaygoers who spent nights on the floors of airports and emergency shelters described harrowing scenes.
Smoke had been travelling over our pool for quite some time at the Princess Sun Hotel, and it was just getting worse and worse, and we started to hear the helicopters, and then basically you could see the fire eventually on the mountaintop. Panic, everyone dashing about, fleeing for buses.
At least 82 wildfires are blazing across Greece during this summer's unprecedented heat wave, displacing thousands of people and burning down homes. In Italy, record-breaking heat was followed Friday by a fierce hailstorm in the north, where ice the size of tennis balls fell on the streets of Scorching, just north of Milan, inundating the streets in icy floodwaters. In India, authorities have ended a rescue mission after a monsoon-triggered landslide in the western state of Maharashtra killed at least 27 people and flattened homes. At least 57 people are still missing and presumed dead. And Pakistan and Afghanistan flash floods and landslides killed at least 44 people in recent days. Meanwhile, the World Health Organization's warning global heating has pushed cases of dengue fever to near record highs. In Bangladesh, authorities say the mosquito-borne viral infection has already reached epidemic proportions, killing 176 people this year, many of them children. In Canada, authorities in Nova Scotia say the region was deluged in less than 24 hours with the amount of rain it typically gets in 3 months. Here in the United States, the Newell Road wildfire in Washington's Klickitat County grew to nearly 52,000 acres Sunday, prompting evacuations. Authorities say the fire threatens farms, crops, and livestock, as well as solar and wind farms and a natural gas pipeline. If it continues to grow, it could also threaten the Yakima Indian Reservation.
Whoa.